How the crab got a crack on his back. Story time. This is a folklore tale in the Caribbean. Let's begin. Long time ago, in a village, there was an old lady. This old lady, she was just so cruel and unkind. No one ever came to check her. The village people, now they on the other hand, they were quite scared of her. The old lady was so mean, even the animals were fearful of her. Everyone as a community decided, it's best to just stay away from her. So they did. But one day, a young lady, she came to the village. But she didn't know the old lady, The young woman, she was just looking for a job. So she went around looking everywhere she can to find a job. This young lady asked as much individuals as she could, but she was not successful. So the young lady decided, you know what? I am going to just walk up the road. She walked so far. She came across a small compact house. Nonetheless, this is where the old woman lived. So the young lady asked her for a job. The old lady replied, "You can wash my clothes now, so come back tomorrow." So the young lady, she did just that. The next day she came back, she washed all the clothes for the entire day. But at the end of the workday, she asked for her payment, as any worker would. And the lady just refused. The old lady, she didn't budge. She told the young lady, only when you could guess my name, I would pay you. The younger lady, she pleaded with the old woman. The old lady just continued to refuse to pay up. So the young lady, she decided, you know what? I gone. So she left to find some help. While walking, she met Mr. Dog. She asked for the help. He said, I don't know her. Remember, most of these animals were afraid of the old lady. She said, okay. She walked a little further. She saw a cow. She related the story to the cow. She asked the cow, do you know the old lady name? The cow responded just like the dog. No, I don't know her name. Next, she met a goat. She asked, Miss Goat, do you know the old lady name? She said, I don't know she name. Next, the young lady came to a river. She sat on a stone by the river and she just started to weep. She cried. The young lady, she was just so hungry, so tired, and on top of that, she was just poor. Tears just flow from her eyes. But out of a stone came a crab. This little crab, he was very concerned. He asked, young lady, what happened? So she did like what she did with the other animals and related the story to them. She informed the crab about the incident with the old woman and about how she washed her clothes and this old lady just refused to pay her. The crab stated, wait, I know that woman. I will tell you her name. But don't let anyone know I told you her name. So she complied. She said, okay, what is this old lady name? The crab said, she name is Granny Mami Sufe Ke Dike Waina Simade. Granny Mami Sufe Ke Dike Waina Simade. Mami Sufe Ke Dike Waina Sidimade. That is the old lady's name, said the crab. So the young lady, she just ran up the road. She ran as fast as she can, opened the old lady door and said, I can tell you your name, you know. Your name is Granny Mommy Sufe DK Wainasi Masi. Oh gosh, this made the old lady so upset. She was furious. She paid her though, but she was just furious still. The old lady was so upset, she went looking for whoever informed this girl of her name. So she grabbed she cane and decided, you know what, I'll go in and look for this person. I fed up. The old lady, she found the dog. She said, doggo, is you tell the girl my name? The dog said, no ma'am, I never tell she. She walked a little further, she saw the cow. Cow, you tell that girl my name? No, ma'am, said the cow. She asked the goat said no too. So she went up the road a little further. She saw this little crab. Crabbo. Now Crab was feeling a little brave. You tell the young lady my name? Yes, ma'am, it's me tell the girl your name. Well, this old lady, she get the crab one whap on the back with the cane. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how a crab gets a crack on his back.